How's school? How's work? Have you gotten a girlfriend? Boyfriend? How is life treating you? Me. Getting a decent night's sleep and waking up refreshed. Staying up and binge watching anime until 3 o'clock in the morning. Me. Me. Everyone I know. That feeling when you are watching the last episode of your favorite anime. No thanks, guys, I have to study tonight. When you're trying to sleep, but remember that awkward text you sent on October 24, 2014 at 8 hours 40 minutes and 21 seconds p.m. When you're in a group chat and you're the only one with an anime profile picture. Before med school versus 3 years in, my dream is to bring happiness to all people. Like, humanity can just go to hell and die. For all I care. Subscribe.